Contestant number 7 is Miss Bow's Fashion, Mele Luisa Meredith. She's 22 years old. Mele is wearing 2 kiekies that can be worn together or the top layer removed for the more casual look, but meanwhile maintaining the elegance of our traditional kiekie. The top kiekie consists of twisted kaffa and paua shells. This accentuates the elegance and the formality of the occasion. The twisted kaffa is made out of coconut fiber, and the paua shells from New Zealand offer the balance between the Tongan and New Zealand cultures. The bottom kiekie is made of red and black feathers with a harakeke taniko band. Mele's outfit can also be adjusted for the occasion. The long sleeves can be taken off for the more casual look. The Maori korowai can then be placed around the shoulders. If need be, this can be placed around the shoulders, representing Maori protocol. Both kiekies capture the resemblance of both the Tongan and the Maori cultures. The designer, Bo Tanginoa, is based in New Zealand, and she incorporates her Tongan culture with the Maori culture. Recognition of both cultures is an integral part of any Pacific Islander that lives in New Zealand. Please put your hands together for Miss Bow's Fashion, Mele Luisa Meredith. Miss Bow's Fashion is Mele Luisa Meredith. The beauty about the sarong that is worn by Mele Luisa Meredith, age 22, of Neyafu Baba'u, Faleloa Hapai, Fas Moeafi, and Niotoptapu, is that it captures the essence of Tonga, where time begins with its mesmerizing colors of the sunrise and the evening sunsets. The beauty of Tonga's paintbrush is often a reminder to thank God for the gift of life. Mele resides with her family in California. Her parents are Dolly and Cliff Meredith, and she is one of 4 children. She loves to spend time with her family, baking, loves the arts and crafts, traveling, and getting involved in church activities. She hopes to be a data analyst and is studying computer science. She likes spending time outdoors and doing things like swimming, hiking, and fishing. She also loves music, playing the bass guitar, and working on her car. Her sarong assures us of happiness and uplifts our mood, and that we should be bright and positive at all times as we rejoice in our pride of our Tongan heritage, culture, and traditions. On Mele's sarong is a Whatatu Tonga design. This captures the House of the King, in particular the central beam. Representatives of the Senate bindings which hold the central beam supporting the thatched roof. This is the sarong for Miss Bow's Fashion. A round of applause, please. Ka take o paspasi mai Mele Luisa Meredith. Judges. Mele Luisa Meredith, 22 years old, and she is Miss Bowes Fashion tonight.